It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads